Okay, so find the coordinates of the points of intersection of the curve and the straight line x plus y equals 7, right? So this curve here is y equals x squared minus 6x plus 13. Okay, and then this line here, straight line, I could rewrite that, couldn't I? If I take the x over to the side, it would equal to 7 minus x, yeah? Y would equal 7 minus x. Now I want to find the coordinates of the points of intersection. So at points of intersection, okay, as we saw last time around, okay, you've got your curve, right, which you're rough drawing like that, and then you've got your straight line. Okay, when they intersect is when they cross over. At that point, whatever x is there, right, okay, y will be the same, won't it? The y value will be the same. So for that particular line and curve, whatever x is, your y's will be the same for the line and the curve. So we could say, look, these y's will be the same at points of intersection. In other words, x squared minus 6x plus 13 will equal to the same as what 7 minus x would equal. So therefore, we can say that these two curve and lines are equal. Okay, so the curve is equal to the line because the y's are equal, yeah? So we can set them equal to each other. Get them onto one side, okay? And then we end up having x squared, that would be minus 5x, and then that would be plus 6 equals 0. And then we can factorize this and we get our x values, okay? So if we factorize it, we need two numbers that multiply to give 6, add up to give minus 5. Now I'm thinking of 6, 2 and 3, doesn't it? 2 and 3 multiplies to give 6, but for them to add up to give minus 5, they both have to be minus, won't they? And if they both minus, that will take me to minus 5, and of course they multiply to give positive 6, minus 2 times minus 3 is positive 6. So therefore you've got two brackets equal to 0, so two brackets timesing each other equals to 0, and that means if you've got two things times together that equals 0, one of them's got to be 0. So either the first bracket is 0, or the second bracket is 0, which means x is equal to 2, or x is equal to 3, okay? So we've got our coordinates there, or we've got our x coordinates for the points of intersection. So it's as if this here, would be my x equals 2, and that would be my x equals 3. But we then need to work out what y is. And to work out what y is, we just say, look, when x equals 2, y will equal, we can work it out, we can put it into one of these. It doesn't matter which one. Put it in the second one is easiest. Look, you can say 7 take away 2, which is equal to 5. And then when x is equal to 3, y will equal to 7 take away 3. Again, putting it back into that one. So you've got your value which will be 4. So you've got my 2 points of intersection, 2, 5, and 3, 4.